Hello, everyone. TGT Trader Girl Tuesday. It's good to see you all, and I'm happy that you all are tuning in. Yeah, let's kick it off, right? Let me hop on these charts. This is the first time I'm looking at it with you all. I decided to get here like 10 minutes early so we can get a better analysis. And also so I won't feel rushed. So as you guys know, we've been targeting this daily Sibi. I've been really wanting to put a body in there, and we have a couple of bodies. So now I just want to see a close because as you can see, we've been wicking up, which it's fine. But wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. So yesterday we did get a body in there, closed in the upper quadrant of the daily Sibi. I would love to see either today, tomorrow, this week, whenever. I would really like to see a daily candle close above. And then if it does close above, then we can possibly retest it and reach for this daily Sibi. So that's my overall weekly analysis. But let's drop down. Oh, wait, let me show you news. We have news today. We don't have any news today, barely any. Trump speaks at 4 p.m. So that's like the last hour of trading. I don't know if it's going to hold price till then. That'll be like extreme. But hey, the markets can do what the markets want to do, right? But yeah, so if you guys recall from yesterday, we had these PD arrays outlined on the 1 hour. And it looks like price, after it did go higher, it retraced and respected this and it didn't make a new low. So that may be a footprint in price indicating that we still want to go higher. And the bodies, look at the bodies here, it's still respecting this 1 hour Sibi. So if we're going to go higher and take out this buy side liquidity up here, we're going to need to get past this roadblock. So I'm just going to indicate that now. Okay, so this is our new 1 hour Sibi. If we're going to continue to go higher, we got to get past this speed bump. So we're just going to put that on there for completeness sake. And I have to, in order to determine like what we're going to do for this AM session, I have to see how it acts in this. So I am live, that looks great. Oh yeah, okay. Now what I want to do is drop down to the 15-minute. We have, similar structure, everything is fractal. It looks like we're respecting it so far. So let's see if it can pull up. 5-minute, any PD arrays that we can use, maybe this BISI right here. See if we can respect that. Let's see, I'm gonna put that on there for completeness sake. Let's see if we can respect that BISI to push price higher, taking out these highs. If not, then that's going to tell us a new story. Narrative, baby, narrative. And lastly, I want to see the opening range gap. So regular trading hours, yesterday's settlement price was here. Price is currently here. Let's see how far that is. We like to, our sweet spot is technically defined at 75 to 200. So I'm a little disappointed because so my goal for June, okay, is to follow the rules to a T. That is my goal. My mentor always says, like, the charts is like a mirror. It's going to show you who you are. So if in your personal life, if you're undisciplined, like greedy, impatient, then it's going to reflect in your trading. And so I've been working really hard at consistency and discipline in my personal life with my personal goals, and I think I've been doing really great at that. Like, we're already in June, and I've proven myself for the past 6 months that I can keep the same routine and do everything consistently and discipline. So I'm hoping that those skills can transfer into my trading. And so for June, my goal is to show myself and prove to myself that I can be consistent and disciplined in the charts. Hold up though, because while we're talking, I see that we traded below that BISI. So let me see here really quick. If it closes below that 5-minute BISI and use it as a fair value gap, this is the next PD array. Yes, goal for June. So my creator, Michael ICT, right? Did I say my creator? My mentor in trading, Michael ICT, he has given us an amazing model that I gravitate to. Obviously, he's given us so many setups, so many models. Perfect. My preferred model, because he says it, obviously it's in price every day, has a 75% likelihood. I like that. Look at the body's respect. So it wicked out, did some damage, but we're pulling back up, which is good. To continue to go higher if possible. We need to close above and reach for this buy side liquidity. What am I thinking about? Oh, yes. So the opening range gap. So he gave us a list of rules. And one of those rules, well, I think there's 5, and those are the ones that I want to follow. I want to make sure that I'm trading within the opening range gap, which is the first 30 minutes of trading. Setting a stop loss, utilizing the 50% as a target TP, utilizing the first presented fair value gap, because I in my real life I'm a little impatient, so sometimes I don't wait for that first presented fair value gap to show up, which sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So if you want consistency, you have to be disciplined. At least that's what I'm telling myself. I love this. Perfect. Ooh. Quit playing with me, Naz. So yes, that's what I want. I want to be consistent, disciplined. And so this month, I'm really proving to myself that I can follow the rules. Keep the routine. I know the rules in and out. I know the model. There we go. Boom. So, okay, it came down to this PD array. Let's see what it does. What is this on the higher time frame? Oh, okay. That makes sense. What am I trying to say? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I think all I'm trying to say is for this month of June, my goal is to be consistent and disciplined. I know the rules. I need to follow the rules. So that's what I'm trying to do. Because if I can do that, then it only makes sense that I will be consistent and I will be disciplined, and it will be a positive reflection in my overall profitability. At least that's what it makes sense in my head. We shall see. Okay, so as you can see, it's not even 9:30 yet, and this is where settlement price was yesterday, and this is where we're currently at. So it even reduced the opening range gap even more. Oh, that's how I got on this. Yeah, so the sweet spot for our opening range gap is 75 minimum, and this is only 31 right now, so 75 to 200. So that's okay though. We just have to sit on our hands because I'm following the rules, trying to be a good student. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, but I'm still, obviously, this is my passion, so I love watching the charts, I love reading the tape. I can't execute unless the rules align. So this is gonna be new for Trader Girl, because Trader Girl loves to pull the trigger, but sometimes, like, it'll go good, but then, obviously, there's times where it goes bad, so I just want to ensure that I'm being consistent and disciplined. So we shall see. Opening bell in 4 seconds. There it is. Boom. Let's see if it can close above this 5-minute BISI and reach for these highs. Oh, whoa, what was that? Is this not locked? That's locked. What was just moving? Did y'all see that? Am I tripping? Oh, I thought I heard something, y'all. Whew, that was scary. It's the coffee or something. Oh, yay, awesome. Wait. It looks like we're about to take those highs. Bada boom, bada bang. That's what I love to see. Bro, I swear I'm hearing something. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, y'all. That was my washer. My washer, dishwasher. I was like, yo, I know I'm hearing something, but like I couldn't make out what it was because I have my headphones in for the microphone, and I'm like, yo, I'm not about to get caught up in no scary movie where the girl ignores what she hears. But you know what? Low key, it was like, oh, let me go check it out. So who knows? Oh, snaps. What's going on? So we just took this buy side liquidity. We didn't technically get up here yet. 5-minute. Coming back into this. 15-minute BISI. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Spending some time around there. Let's see if we have a first presented fair value gap yet. So opening bell was here. I don't see nothing yet. It seems like it's teetering between these two PD arrays. I hate it when that does that too. Ooh, price coming lower. Boom. Outside. I wonder though, where did opening bell? Here. Technically, we had a 32 handle opening range gap. Just for completeness sake, I want to see the 50% of it. 50% is here. But I love this. Look at the bodies. Look, I keep trying to tell y'all, wicks do the damage. Keep wicking up in here, but the bodies are closing above. Keep going back and forth though. It hasn't really shown me a side yet. Let me go to Dow. Oh, okay. Wait a second. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, Nas acting like the sixth sister out here. Okay, sixth sister. Come on in. Go up there and take the liquidity. Why are you playing with me? By sixth sister, I mean the sister pairs. You can see how Dow took the sell side liquidity and then took the buy side that I'm aiming for on Nas. And the SPX did it as well. Took the sell side and then took the buy side. So the fact that Nas is meandering around makes me think like it's the sixth sister. It should follow suit. But these PD, the way it's respecting this PD array, I don't like it. I want to see a close above, retest to go higher. And if anything, it's closing within and pushing lower. What's the Dow doing? Dow's going lower too. What? I don't know what's going on with Nas today. So we just gotta be patient. See, read the tape. Yep. We back up in there. Boom. It's closing in that opening range gap. It got to 50%. I mean, that's what we want to see. Michael says the probability of closing the opening range gap in the first 30 minutes is 75%. So can't be too surprised. I can't execute on it though because I'm following the rules, and the rules say I need a range of at least 75. Tis is, but I do see that we have a first presented fair value gap in the making. If it closes here, then this will be the first presented fair value gap. Bro, that the what is it called? Washer machine? Yeah, washing machine is freaking me out, man. I hate random noises in my head. I mean, no, it's not in my head. It's really outside of my head. I just don't like hearing it because I'm not prepared for it. It's just random. And it sounds like with these headphones on, it sounds like someone's muffling. That's why it's weird. Okay. So bodies looking good. I haven't lost faith in this PD array just yet. If we close outside of it, then it's a done dealio. Okay, we got a first presented fair value gap. What time is it? 9:36. And that's another thing I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get used, because if I'm going to follow the rules, then I have to keep an eye out for the first presented fair value gap and see what time does it form, because I'm going to have to wait for it, y'all. And it's been 6 minutes, so that's going to really take patience, and I'm ready for it. And look at that. Ooh, cute. It closed above it. Cute. We just got to get past this, close above, and then we can reach back higher. What's our sister pairs doing? Dow came back, had a pullback. SPX still going higher. I'm liking what I'm seeing on the NAS. I like the respect to the first presented fair value gap. We just got to close above this 5 minute. What am I thinking about? Oh, I messed up, y'all. I did not indicate the first presented fair value gap yesterday because you have to extend that out in the week. Okay, where we at? 9:30. Dang, I do remember this. It was big choppy yesterday. The first presenter. So this is 9:30. Hello. Okay. 9:30. Boom, 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 boom. Is this it? This is a tiny one. Technically, I think that is it though. Yeah. Yep, that's it. First presented fair value. Monday, first presented fair value again. Here we go. Monday, first presenting fair value gap. And we're going to extend that to the right. Lock it, put it in my pocket. Oh, look at that. I love to see it. So perfect. This is what you want to see from the first presented fair value gap too. Look at that beauty. Ooh, I need to screenshot this. Boom, TP smash. Ayy. Y'all saw it here live. I love it. Screenshot that for your notes. I'm just being facetious. That's what my mentor be saying. But look at that respect to this 5 minute, which is also the 15 minute BISI. Mad respect. We were able to close above. It's beautiful. Six Sister. Y'all learned about the Six Sister today. Took out this buy side liquidity. Beautiful. utilize the first presented fair value gap. Okay, we don't have FOMO. That's not the case. Everything is fine. We follow the rules. That is the goal. Yes, we could have entered here or here, but that's not what the rules say. So it's okay. Breathe. Biggest thing is we follow the rules, which is our goal. Second, we're sharpening our skills, our bias on point. Trader Girl got GPS on the markets. And third, we are inside now the premium quadrant, so the upper quadrant of this 1 hour SIBI. As we said at the beginning of this stream, if we're going to take out this high and close with a body above this daily SIBI, then we're going to need to get in here, which we are. So I love to see it. And I'm glad you all are here to see it with me. And it's only been like the first 10 minutes. It's so funny because when I'm actually in a trade, I feel like time goes on. It's like it's been so long. But looking at it, technically, we had to wait 6 minutes for the first presented fair value gap to present itself in the first place. Once it presented itself, it only took like 3 minutes. It only took 3 minutes to get to TP. And it's so funny because I swear that 3 minutes be feeling like an eternity when you're in the trade. But I'm loving this. I'm going to screenshot it for my notes as well, because I need to take notes of how long it takes, and hopefully that'll help with my impatientness. I love that. I love that you guys got to see it live with me today, because I don't know if y'all be thinking I be capping or not, or like I don't even know how you can Photoshop the charts, because y'all can see the charts that I be seeing too. So nobody's accused me of lying, but now y'all can't accuse me of lying, because I got at least, how many Trader Girl Tuesdays have we had so far? Has it been a month? Aw, happy month anniversary. Wait, let me see. I think my first TGT, honestly, I can't even, oh, here we go. My first TGT, so yep, this is my fourth one. My first one was May 20th, so it's not our month anniversary yet. Wait, let me check out the calendar though, because now that I'm thinking about it, we can have like a little cute little wait, how many? 1, 2, 3. So technically this is my fourth one, and that makes me think, because 4 weeks are in a month, but technically it won't be a month for another week. That's weird. Or maybe 2 weeks. That's weird how time works like that. Is it me, or I don't know how to count? I don't know. But this is our fourth TGT. That's amazing. Love it here. Yeah, I mean, TP smash. So we still got like 17 more minutes to go. Let's just keep reading the tape then. Okay. Let's see. Where we at? So we just took buy side liquidity. We didn't quite reach up into the overall. We didn't close in any SIBIs per se by any means. Oh my. Bro, I swear my dishwasher keeps doing these ticks, and I'm like, is someone breaking in? Okay, so we came up here and we poked outside. It might be reaching for sell side liquidity now, or it may respect this like it's coming back to entry. But if it does take, let me take this away for right now. If it does reach for sell side liquidity, then it'll take out this low and maybe this low. But if we're overall bullish, we high-key don't want to see lows being taken. High-key. But that's all I got to say about that. But if it is going to take some lows, this one than this one. But Trader Girl don't want to see lows being taken because I want to see a daily candle body close in it, like right here. I would love to see it close like right here. I would love that. Tis is though, right? Oh, look at that beauty. Look at the respect to these PD arrays. Y'all, like high key, that is the first thing you got to get used to. Identifying the PD arrays, identifying bias, being able to identify the narrative. Before you do any execution, before you do any entries, start there. And that's real. And don't be like me and use stop losses. So it just pulled back up into this SIBI that it created. It's going to have to get through that if we're going to continue to go higher, or it may use that to push price lower for this low. I love that. Did we do our recap for this AM trade? Okay. I mean, we still have like 14 minutes, so I don't even know if it's too early to do. Ooh, you know what we can do? Let's tune into my team. Let's see if this works without kicking me off the live. Yer.
What's the damn deal?
What's good? What you saying?
Shit, in here,
Oh, you're on live. You're on my live. TP was smashed, so I was like, I can keep reading the tape, but I don't have any like overall objective no more. So I was like, let me see what my team is on.
TP was smashed. Remember what you took it down to the 50%?
Hell no. So this is day 2 success of following the rules because it didn't have at least 75% opening range gap, unfortunately.
Oh, so you didn't trade?
No, I didn't execute. But
so what TP was smashed?
Oh, I was targeting this buy side liquidity above this 5-minute swing, and I wanted to get above the 1 hour consequential encroachment of that SIBI. And so we were able to read the tape and utilize the 5-minute BISI, which also coupled with the 15-minute BISI, and then the first presented fair value gap to push price higher.
Okay. Well, I'll break down my analysis for the group like we. All right, so I'm working inside this daily SIBI. It's a daily SIBI that we've inverted. We closed above it on the 10 o'clock 4-hour candle yesterday. Well, 6 o'clock 4-hour candle yesterday, and then brought it back down with the next candle, the big red one, and they both stopped at the 50%. Then we took this open and build.
Wait, what's your overall target? Like where's your liquidity that you're reaching?
I don't really do bias and targets like that. Like,
okay.
I more read the tape and then I react to like what price is telling me right then.
What are you reaching for then?
So like right then, so okay, well if you let me fucking finish the analysis, you may hear it. So we working with this daily SIBI. So since it brought down and then we inverted it, we closed above it strongly with this big strong ass candle. I'm thinking now we want to completely invert it. So with the opening bell, we had our opening range gap. I'll go down to the lower time frame so we can see it better. We took London low, we took the London shit, them lows got taken. Then here opening range comes. We swept this minor sell side liquidity, filled this BISI on the 5-minute that you were probably talking about.
Yep.
Into the 50% of the opening range. Yep. So then we pulled back up. So now I'm just like, all right, fuck it. The first fair value gap was a SIBI for me, and we inverted that.
The first presented fair value gap. Let me see. Yep, mine was a SIBI too.
Yep. So boom, that me and Nick was already here, and we watched it come down, and I bought it like right below it. So
I'm trying to get a body. You know, I've been targeting a body above that daily SIBI. I want to see.
Yeah, I want to. I'm trying to take this position to the 4-hour high.
Because overall we're targeting that next daily Sibby above price. Oh, y'all, look at this. I love it. Look how we came back down respect to the first presented fair value gap, and now we're taking price higher. And like I said earlier, if we are going to continue to be bullish, we do not want to see any lows taken. And it respected it. So I love to see it. I don't know if today we'll be able to get a body above the daily Sibby, but we're really close. Like, we've been targeting this for weeks now. We got in there. When did we get in there originally? We got in there June 3rd. So I told you, I don't know the concept of time because it's only been a week and I'm talking like it's been weeks. So wait, our first time getting in there was May 29th. We wicked up in there nasty. And then we came up in there, got a body closed, which was our first objective, was to at least get a body closed up in there on last week, Tuesday. Now, let's just take the time to appreciate how we did. We have multiple bodies laid in this daily Sibby. Trader Girl just wants to see a body closed above it, because if that we can get that, then we can go to our next overall objective, which is the higher daily Sibby. And y'all, we're really, really close. I don't want to say it's gonna happen today because we have been closing with long wicks, but we're the closest we've been so far. And oops, and it's the
Everything
highest that
right
we've
now.
been. What'd you say?
All the cibbies are getting inverted so nasty right now. I'm just kind of sick. I'm not stacking, but it's cool. I'm chilling right now.
You in an entry?
But I do. Oh yeah, I've been in.
You bought that hoe?
Oh yeah.
Good, 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 good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I've been in. Right.
Not
That nigga
Lindsay
said I'm gonna call.
Lohan sounding.
She doesn't sound like Nikki Lohan, Freaky Friday, that nigga.
Just last week, you were saying I sound like a broadcaster.
Oh me, we was bro, Nick. I was just on her head like last week about that. I was like, dang, get your sports announcer talking that. She was like, you're kind of quiet over there. I'm like, nigga, lady, you're broadcasting like a Chuck and Shaq.
I'm loving this price action though.
Nah, fire price, fire.
I
I'm
keep
telling
telling
you.
myself I don't have FOMO. It's okay. The goal this
Oh,
month
you
is to.
got FOMO, but that's because you take yourself get the markets. Bro. You got
It's
FOMO.
okay. No
If you never give
FOMO.
yourself one swing,
Huh?
you can't model.
Nah, 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 nah. That's my goal this month,
That's
is
the
to
next
follow the
profile.
model to the T. Ooh, y'all, look, we just took it again. I'm loving it. So wait, let's see
Oh
on the
God, it's like
daily.
she auditioned it. Oh, this sound like auditioning with Stephen A.
Y'all, check this out. We are currently above the daily Sibby. If we can get a close, well, I mean, oh my gosh, let
That
me
is
not talk
too
about a
funny.
close when we have like how many more hours? 7? 7 more hours before we get a close. So just gonna take the small victory here with you all today on this TGT, on this beautiful TGT.
Oh,
We
Nick,
are
Nick,
above.
you see what I was saying about my 10 o'clock? See, 10 o'clock, that's 10 o'clock is really when I should start pressing buttons. That's when I know my model comes. But I have to give myself at least one swing for the opening bell because that hoe be positioning me right. So like now, 10 o'clock, I know we're going to. If we do, we'll retrace. We're gonna retrace during. We should take out some high over here until this high at least before 10. That's what I want to see. And then at 10, we can start retracing if it wants to. But we really shouldn't retrace until lunchtime. So we got some time.
Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, did anybody catch the BT Awards last night? How this motherfucker Kendrick Lamar beat Drake, Beyonce, The Weeknd, Chris Brown. I'm so sick of this damn They Not Like Us. I didn't watch it. I heard it was really good. It was a really good award show. I ain't gonna lie. Besides them boys hating on Drake, I did enjoy the show and the performances.
All right, y'all, 5 minutes left. Trader Girl about to head out, do my quick little recap. But I feel like I already did my quick little recap. There's nothing else to say besides we called the markets to the T. um, this 1 minute BISI, which also confluence with the 5 minute, which also confluence with the 15 minute. I taught y'all a little bit about the Six Sister and how NAS was taking its time, but we saw that the Dow and SPX already took the buy side liquidity. So it's important to keep that in mind. So that gave me confidence that not to lose my faith in that this buy side liquidity was going to get taken. Also check out the bodies. Wicks do the damage, bodies tell the story. And as you can see, body showed love to that BISI. Even this one, it closed above it. That's what we like to see. And it continued to reach higher. We got our first presented fair value gap, gave immediate reaction, took out our target within the first 6 minutes. We saw a retracement and a second respect to the original 5 minute BISI, back up, took it again, and now we're retracing back down. So that's why I can't say we're going to get a close within the next 7 hours above that daily SIBI. It may take, today, tomorrow, the next day, whatever. It's just showing me high wickiness. So as it's done the past couple of days within this week, it's just showing real wicks. So I wonder though, am I missing something with all these wicks happening? Why does it keep wicking and not closing? But you also have to be mindful, it's only June 10th. Like, we have a whole month to go, and on the daily time frame, you have to be patient. You have to let the markets cook. So I'm not going to read too much into the wicks, but I have it on my radar. If we close at any point now,
Because I never did no deep analysis, and I do need to do a deep analysis.
if we close underneath this consequential encroachment of this daily SIBI, then I'm gonna start looking at it sideways, and then don't let it fall below no, it's not concept, it's the mid. Oh snaps, Wolfie, what's
Threshold.
the mean threshold? Yes, the mean threshold of this order block, because if it do that, then we have to look for lower prices. But as of right now, we're still targeting this daily SIBI. And the first indication we need is a close above this current daily SIBI. So thank you all for tuning in.
If we invert this next 1 minute BISI like we've been doing like the rest of them, no, it's over with.
Thank you all for tuning in on this beautiful TGT Trader Girl Tuesday. I will be here next week, and if you missed out on this live AM session, no worries. I will save it to my YouTube channel. Just go underneath the live tab. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you all here again next week. But don't worry, in the meantime, I will be posting on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, my daily analysis recap. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for tuning in and have an amazing day.